We are on a hunt looking for Paddington the Bear. Oh, it's my earring.
Your earring?
My earring is in my shoes. I found treasure already.
At least it never went off again.
The Regent's Canal. Come to Little Venice. Oh, look at this here. Look at this. Look at the boat. Can I fit in here? Oh wow, look here, Raja. I'm gonna need your help, Jiren, to go down here. If you carry it from the bottom, I'll carry it from the top, okay? Ready? You're in control?
Mom, you.
No, it's okay. No, it's okay. I'm gonna go on my own pace. Thank you. Oh, look at this.
What's the story with Venus? Is Venice named after Venus?
Yeah, I think so, because we just saw there. Venice referred to woman.
The first.
The first one, no.
The only planet named after a
The only planet named after a woman. Yeah. Is it stuck? Oh, there you go. It's out now. Oh, excellent. So I definitely want to try the river cafe on the other side before 4 o'clock. London. Oh wow, that looks quite cool. According to some, Lord Byron first used the phrase Little Venice in the early 80s. However, other historians claim that poet Robert Browning, who lived in this area from 1862 to 1887, coined the name now used for this historic location.
So, because this looks like Venice, someone called it Little Venice. The country Venezuela also means Little Venice. You know that?
No, I don't know. Don't talk on the phone now.
Hi, Mira.
In a bit.
Mira, I'm outside.
Yara.
You're at Muhammad's house.
Get off the phone, please. Get off the phone. Get off the phone, please.
Wait, give me one.
Get off the phone. Now.
Muhammad was messaging me through her account saying.
Yeah, but you are on my mic. You are recorded.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm saying be quiet.
So why do you need the mic?
Because we are filming the famous cream tea. And because it's a touristic area, they know that people come here to try everything English.
Yes, they name it English style.
They're like, oh, this is the best cream tea you can have. And tourists will be like, oh, nice. It's overpriced and it tastes like the one that you buy from Tesco's. They've heated the scone and now it's very crispy. When they did the Paddington Bear film here, it caused complaints at Little Venice. People here didn't like it, it seems.
Rate it out of 10.
I'd give it 2 out of 10.
I'd give it.
They're not gonna like it now if they hear me say that. No, one, the seatings are not really by the canal. It's
And
behind.
it stinks as well.
So we had to sit in the corner there to see the canal. 2, the smell, I don't know, I think there's some water pipes here. The cream tea was not really the best and overpriced, so...
I'm gonna give it a 0.5.
At least they came after I finished. Do not stop at the first cafe there. Again, you walk down a little bit and you find all these restaurants, cafes, and...
Starbucks.
No, excuse me. I'm gonna have to go again. If you want to try nice coffee, coffee places, spots, you need to try different independent cafes. Okay, so we are by the Paddington Station. We're going to check now where is the Paddington store. If it's near here, we'll give it a try. No, we'll walk back to the car. But we'll try where the shop is, because we just reached the station now. It's another 7 minutes walk. I think we did a nice walk. We'll walk back now. Paddington the Bear.